Hello, this is a Circuit Quiz Data Engineer Challenge, and in this lab you do not have to do anything at all in this lab. All you have to do is just to keep the lab open for at least 5 minutes, irrespective of the time reading here. Alright, so I will go ahead and end my own lab here. So let's end my own lab here. I'll end this, but remember that you have to keep your own lab open for at least 5 minutes minimum. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.